Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Making. So I'm going to show you how to cook a vegetable rice without onions. So I'm going to put oil, let it cook for some minutes, for some seconds actually, then add my cubic carrots like that, let it cook, and then mix it with pepper. It's not a must, but for me I wanted it to become spicy, so I kept 3 strips of pepper. Let it cook for some minutes. Make sure that it doesn't overcook. As you see, it is changing color. Then later on I'm going to add french beans. Every time I keep on saying french fries, I guess I miss french fries. So I'm going to add french beans, reduce heat. Then I'm going to prepare my rice, my cooked rice, then add it to the french beans after it is cooking. Like, you should let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then add your rice, your cooked rice. Make it that it should not be with the clogs. It should be scrambled. Then like that, it should be into pieces, kamoja. Then mix it like that. Mix it until all the vegetable has mixed well with the rice. Okay. Then add a little bit of water so that it cannot burn and have a bad taste. Okay. In the process, after cooking for several seconds, I'm going to add my soy sauce like that. Then mix it until the all rice become brownish. Okay. I'm using the dark soy sauce. The rice should turn brown. The whole rice should be turned brown. Let it cook for some time. The soy sauce has to be cooked because it's a spices. Remember, all spices should be cooked. They should not be eaten raw without cooking because you're going to have a stomach upset. These chemicals are very, very dangerous for our body, right? So as you continue like that, for like just 1 minute, it will just become hot, and then you'll have to serve and enjoy the dish. This is not the vegetable rice, simple vegetable rice. You'll not go hungry if you have this. It's a quick one, very quick one, and a very delicious meal that you can enjoy. So if you're returning, please subscribe, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye till next time.